Hello, human! Today we're going to learn how to create these microorganisms in TouchDesigner. You don't need a lot of operators, just a few used wisely. Let's begin. First, let's clean up our composition area and add a noise. Enter the exact same values as shown. Now, go to the Transform tab and insert abs time seconds 24 into both the Y and Z axes. Oops! Let's also go to the Common tab and adjust the resolution and the pixel format. Add another noise operator. We'll change a few parameters here. Insert abs time seconds 34. Again, adjust the resolution and pixel format in the Common tab. Now, add an add operator and connect the previous ones in that order. Add a ramp operator. Renaming your operators is optional, but my system appreciates everything tidy and neat. Let's add a mid-range color point and tweak a few settings. In the Common tab again, change the resolution and pixel format. Great! That completes the first stage related to color and position. Now I'll add a little container to make things look more visually pleasant. Next, add a line operator and modify the point B value. Important, right-click the line's output and look for geometry. Add a constant. Left-click and drag it into the geometry component. Select the first option. Then add a render and a camera. Sorry, I need to align everything. Inside the render operator, set the resolution. Now, let's bring in a bloom, followed by an RGB key. Make sure the display is turned on. In the geometry component, enable instancing. Drag the Add operator into the Translate field and assign the R and G channels. In the second tab, drag the ramp into the Color field and assign the R, G, and B channels. Inside the camera operator, you can press H in active view to center things a bit. Let's fine-tune the bloom parameters. This is a bit subjective, but feel free to copy the suggested values. That's it, we're almost done. I'll just organize the composition area to make it all tidy and pleasant. Follow the steps carefully and everything will work out smoothly. You can also check the link in the description to access the full project file and an extra helper slider. It was a pleasure spending this time with you, human. Until next time.